Hey folks, Tuesday the 6th of February 2018, which means it's time for another weekly update on how my 3 and 4 finger strength building exercises are all going. Pretty good. If you were with me last week, well, first week actually, you remember that it was this exercise. Just cycling over. Fingers 1, 3 and 4. Then the following week I changed it to fingers 1, 2 and 4. Same exercise. Okay. Then the third week, the one that I've added in is fingers 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is this. Okay. Now, fourth week, we're going to add another exercise. There's only one more after this one, and then we're off and running, and I'm going to show you how I then apply it. And this one is on the frets. It's using fingers 1, 2 and 4, but we've got a big reach on these. And it's on frets 8, 10 and 12. So the exercise is the same picking pattern, it's just with a bigger reach. Okay. So now it's time for a little bit of practice. Practice done. So now it's time for a little jam. Now what I'm going to do before a jam is I'm going to actually look, I think I'm in the key of A minor. Yeah, I am, this track that I've dug out from somewhere today. I'm in the key of A minor, so that gives me the opportunity of playing the 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, so I'm just looking at the B and the E strings today. Then I can do the 8, 10, 12. Okay, and then we've got 10, 12, 13. So you can rip up and down the scale, I suppose. That's the idea, is to combine these licks over all 6 strings eventually. So once you know your modes, you could probably there, or you've got there. Got loads of places. So if you notice what I did then, I ripped up just a couple of pairs of strings off the scale positions where I just taken from the modal shapes. So time for a little bit of a minor jam. Trying to squeeze it in. So get the idea where I've got the same patterns and I'm just trying to link them in the sort of the modes really, I suppose, all over the fretboard a little bit. See whether it's of any use to you. If it is, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up and a like and a share and a subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little button as well, then you know when I'm throwing one of these vlogs up for you. And keep following me on this journey. Next week we've got the final exercise, like I say, in this series of these where we're going to add them, and then I'm going to show you how I then apply them more over a backing track. I mean, I know it doesn't sound that musical because that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to be able to utilise what I'm working on in any position, in any style of song really, so that when you get the opportunity to call on it, you can just pick oops, and sort of rip away if you want to and have a little bit of fun. So follow me on this journey. Again, don't forget to subscribe. All the social media stuff should be down below, hopefully, and I'll see you next week with the final exercise in all this gubbins. Keep rocking and keep rocking in the free world. See you soon.